If you're fascinated by the history and culture of ancient civilizations and their legacy today, then you're going to love the Roman and Anglo Saxon Tyneside tour. We will pick you up from your pre-arranged collection point and set off to the Roman fort of Arbea, where you will discover the thriving Roman town that survived into the Dark Ages. From there we will take you to Jarrow, famous for England's first historian, Bede, where we will explore the Anglo-Saxon story of the Northeast. At the end of the tour, we will drop you back to your pre-arranged location. On this tour, you'll learn why many Iraqis and Syrians moved to South Shields in Roman times, how medieval monks wrote their books, and what led them to believe the world might not be flat after all. So if you want to get a true glimpse of the ancient world, book the Roman and Anglo-Saxon Tyneside tour today at ilestours.co.uk. We look forward to travelling back in time with you.